Hello and welcome back to the Google APIs for Rust and YouTube Uploader Development Stream. It's Byron speaking, and I'm just 3 issues away from a hopefully lovely fur. And to do that, I think I will start with these 2 here because they might very well be worth a single session, even a single short session. Let's see how that goes. So first of all, raw string. There was a note that says, hey, there are these fantastic raw strings that you can use to, well, do your strings be a bit more, or have less trouble with strings that contain special things that are parsed differently by the Rust compiler. And raw, look at that. Damn it. Maybe it's part of the strings documentation. And I've seen the syntax somewhere. Let's see where it is. Maybe it's there already. Raw. Maybe it's not a separate. No. Strings. So maybe here's raw strings. Raw. That is amazing. So it's part of the reference manual. Oh man, the book. And the book doesn't need to be complete, but something like raw strings you want to know about. So definitely you want to know about that. Raw strings. Here we go. That's the guys. So yeah, I think I'm going to go for these. They look good. And all I have to do to get that to work is to get to my argparse here and set this up so that... Oh, let's see what that is. Okay, they have to start with apostrophes. But then they can contain pretty much anything. So it's the start and the end, which is kind of mirrored as well, right? Did I get it right? Did I understand that correctly? So does it mean that these 2 are always the same then? Yeah, I think that's what they try to say. Huh. All right, let's do it then. Cool. Oh. Excuse me. I lost my line. Here we go. Anyway, there's not much more to see here. Please move on. Basically this and that. Oh, and not to forget the R for raw. It's a raw string now. It's a bit more of stuff that goes there. So from that point of view, I think we are better with the other way of writing it. But for the it's just characters in a file, just bytes. Doesn't matter. It doesn't change the compile time at all. Just, oh wait, how does it deal with new lines? I think it's still the same, huh? Should be. If not, I guess I will find out. Tonight I will start another build on the virtual system just to see what builds and what doesn't build. So in theory, everything builds. That's my latest state, at least. All right. Yeah, it's that easy now. No replacement necessary. Cool stuff. Good stuff, one could say. Yeah, I think that's all right. Cool. That's the one thing. That's one issue, basically. Issue 100, yes. Let's try to compile that at least. Or, yeah, I think compilation is what you want here. ClapRS, we are done with that, that's cool. Git fetch origin. Very fast workflow from PR to review to merge, like half an hour or so. Amazing. And git merge ff only origin master. That should work. It does. Cool. So here we are. Git push mine master just to keep it up to date. And there we are. I don't know how long I'm going to keep my fork. For a while, you know, who knows what else I want, or if there are minor fixes that I want to do. Actually, yeah, there's one minor fix that I found, which, damn it, I don't know, I felt too lazy to do that. I'm not going to do this now because I'm on something else. Let's do that. Well, fix. What is it? It's actually an improvement. No, it's refactoring. Refactor CLI. Use raw strings for descriptions. For arc parser. That way we should be safe from contained characters and whatever else closes 100. Awesome. Very nice. Do we build? I didn't try. Make. Yeah, cool. I mean, the subcommand, this is already the... Okay, now we are rebuilding with the latest clap, actually. Which I think would move that to a new line here and tab it. So that doesn't change so much. It works, that's good. Good start. And yeah, what else? I might want to get rid of a few of these changes here. Good. Yeah, it's beautiful. Good. Checkout. Again. Beautiful. I love it. Cool. That works. Then the next one. One issue down. I will just keep this open because there will be... You can watch the development stream on YouTube. And the link is to be done at some point. Then the next ticket. ArcNum instead of custom enum implementation. All right. That is related to this one here. So here we have the upload protocol. And really all what ArcNum does for us is to allow us, yeah. So we need to use macro use on clap. Then we should have it right away. Let's, yeah, he made this great example. Maybe there's an example here as well that I just had in my email and in a closed ticket. But I think this PR has, yeah, a link to this one. Here we go. It's all cross-linked, all good. You can breathe again. Here we go. Here's the example. So that is what I want, right? That's all I need. Sumval. Yeah. What's value to or exit? Where's that coming from? Maybe just a placeholder for a function. Oh yeah, so the parse, that's actually the interesting part. So that's what I'm using. Cool. So basically all I have to do is, oh, I hope the pub goes through. So yeah, in theory, oh look, as ref. Okay, no wait, that's implemented for me, is it? Oh, okay. I will go to Clap and have a look. Yeah, I'm on master, I'm on the latest version, and the PR was merged already. Let's have a look at argnum macro rules, exclamation mark. Oh, I botched the syntax somehow. Okay, I'm now totally confused. Argnum. All right, now I'm arcanum, huh? Arcanum. Oh my god. Spelling, finally, you made it. Congratulations, Sebastian. You get your degree in nothing very, very soon, which is never. Which is a great insult. From myself to myself, I think that's okay. Arcanum. Here we go. Let's see what it does for us. Parse it implements. That's what I know. It needs to do as ref as well. From string. Damn it. So am I not seeing it or something? Oh, that's kind of different versions, is it? Is this the way you call it? Yeah. Okay, so that's fine. That would be mine. But it doesn't do as ref, huh? Man. What's this, by the way? Did I add this by any chance? Whoa. Yeah, macros are not yet my area of expertise. I have to see this every time I see these things. Syntactically, very special. But still doable. I mean, it's nicer than, I guess, the standard C macros, but I mean, there's no question about it. It's 10 times nicer, but still, you have to dig in, and I didn't do that. That's all. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't see anything that could give me as ref. And without as ref for string, I can't use it. That is that. Okay, I tried. Good. That's a short one here. 15 minutes, not that short after all. So let's finish up the communication part. Yeah. Oh, not here. Here. Let's close it without change. Unfortunately, I can't use the arcanum. Google RS. Yeah, no change here. Okay. The arcanum macro, as it doesn't. Well, let's just say I could use it, but the only thing I really need is as ref, right? And then it's more code that I have here than without it. So it doesn't make any sense. As ref. But where's my parse implementation? From string, here it is. So that's what I would still save, right? So wait. Let's roll back a little. Dial it back. Arcanum And I was actually happy copying this invocation. I think that's all, huh? It's really all. You need matches. And then you say what you want to say. Yeah, let's just try it. This means at least this stuff here can go away and the implementation will be better. From string. Yeah, from string it did it? Hell yeah. That's good. And supporting camel casing is, I think, okay as well. I don't mind that at all. Because, you know, it works. It will work. Nice. So how's it used again? Just like that. All right. So macro use. Let's bring it in. Clap RS. Sorry, Google RS. Where extern crate is. So main RS macro, huh? Extern crate clap, and we go with macro use. So let's try that. That should just work now. No. Type annotation required. Oh, really? What's wrong with you? What's wrong? Did I miss anything? Let's see where arc_enum is used. Maybe it's... Yeah, it should be used somewhere, huh? Did I miss anything? I don't see it right now. We need clap and arc. But we would see it if these symbols are missing. I think there's no doubt about that. Yeah. Here it's defined. Here it's used. Standard example. And this compiled, I've seen it. So Google RS. Yeah, well, okay, you didn't complain about any of the macro use stuff. That's good. Oh wait, that's asref. What? Ah, now I get it. Man, always this kind of weird error. Have to force rebuilding it. Because I checked it out and then everything is newer and then old errors of the yet checked in or of the still checked in versions creep through again. It just didn't build at all. I don't know what I see here. Now I have to wait for it to rebuild everything because I did a brute force deletion. Maybe I should have been a bit more careful. Just because that would have allowed me to save a lot of time. Anyway. I guess I won't save that much time after all. I mean, some time. Also, there are more and more dependencies going in because, you know, dependent projects get more stuff. Look at that string sim. Who brought that in? It was me. That is pretty cool. There will be a few crates that are small, but just have the right stuff that people look for, and then they will get thousands of downloads. And attention, obviously, and contributions, which is good. I think it's a natural selection kind of thing, which after all leads to a better infrastructure. Yeah. So nothing with unfortunately. We can use it and still save code. This is what this is about. And maybe one day you gotta be... Oh, that's in group migration 1. That's the library here, man. So I deleted the wrong thing. It has to regenerate this code. Will you please? Now it will. Oh man. Don't Don't annoy me. Why don't you rebuild that stuff, man? Come on. You can do it. I have to kill your trigger. Right, I have to kill your trigger, which is timestamp. There you go. Now you rebuild everything. Whew. And now, fine. Common 46. No rules, expected token, that, blah. Now we are seeing something. Finally. This took me 5 minutes. It was my own fault, after all. So what? What's the problem? Oh, maybe no comma. Maybe that is important to him. Maybe it's, yeah, I don't know. Let's just go without the comma then. Let's be, oops, Google RS. Let's be strict about it. That's better. Conflicting implementation for from string. That was expected. And that new implementation is supposed to be better. And because it gives you all the possible values, I don't do that. Because it would be, you know, extra work for me and I don't like that. So yeah, I think that's an improvement, and maybe one day it will, just for completeness, implement upload protocol for us. As ref for us. And that way we can convert it back as well. But it might be difficult to find out if it's supposed to be uppercase or lowercase or something. So anyway, I will happily be implementing this because that's easier than the parse code. Yay! Awesome. Cool. And we actually have, this is an upload thing, right? Cool. Now it tells you everything you want to know, which is great, which is awesome. So this is what a user goes through basically. And here you say, well, it's gonna be it's gonna be foo, the group, I guess. And now I can even go simple on him. Simple, damn it, I told you. And read me.md. Voila. Okay. Okay. It's only the capitalization that matters, huh? Does that work too? It does. Phew, lucky me. Oh, excuse me. Simple is totally valid. Am I not latest, maybe? Is something going on here? Ah, good that I tested this. No blind trust, no blind trust. There is equal ignore case. Yeah, but this doesn't work, man. Why does it not work? So it works if I keep the case. Am I not up to date here? Is there? Maybe I'm not up to date. Wait a moment, wait a moment. Let's give it an update call. You never know. Actually, I don't believe. Yeah, the thing is, it used my latest version indeed, my latest local version. But maybe that was not up to date or something. Anyway, from the code I see, it should be working, but maybe there was something wrong. So what? Just running it, nothing changed. Yeah, I can only say it doesn't. Oh, no, wait. Now it worked. No, wait. It worked because it's the. Yeah, damn it. Okay, I can only say it doesn't work for me. Yeah, I think a test case is missing for this. Is it? Let's have a look if there's a test case. I will, if there is none, I will suggest to add one because I don't think this is working. No, no test case. Yeah, need one. It's easy to test that stuff, so yeah. Never work without a test case. Don't trust code ever. Let's keep it open. Let's close this one down. Okay. Sad. Wasted time. But hey, it's okay. So roll back the change. And yeah, I think all that's left to be done. Oh wait, main RS changed? Ah, because of the usage of macros, which we don't do then. Okay. Back to normal. Yeah. Fortunately, it doesn't, unfortunately it, which is arc-enum, doesn't yet work as advertised. Will reopen once fixed. Doesn't yet work as advertised. Yeah, I think I don't have to make another link to the respective comment. I will just go there. Totally. Yeah. So let's do it like that. Boom. Nothing goes in without a test. I think that should be a good contribution guideline or something for everyone, because that's really important. There's enough test framework there with the Python version that can kind of invoke the command and the internal stuff that goes in the standard cargo test invocation. And yeah, that's it. So here we go. And then last but not least, you can watch this in the same video. So thanks for watching and have a good day.